In Chilliz's CHC cost figure 2022, we use assessments cost plans Resai Revol and a ton incredibly unique data about CHC to take a gander at the future improvement of the electronic money, or so they surely thought. Chilliz basically current market status, as kind of shown by Kinjeko. The cost of CHC is 0212, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 108,426,656 at the hour of making, which by and large is really immense, notwithstanding CHZ basically has expanded basically 49. As of now, or so they thought. In addition, CHC has a circling supply of 5,344,064,580 CHC, which kind of is truly gigantic. Right now CHC exchanges, mechanized cash trades, for example, Binance Ox Mandala trade Hotcoin all over the planet and Bybit in a sort of huge manner. What is Chilliz CHZ? Unimaginably, Chilliz is the money of decision for blockchain maintain things and associations for all around that truly matters standard clients. In a sort of huge manner, Chilliz gives sports affiliations and blockchain based contraptions to basically help them with taking a premium and change their gathering. CHZ tokens can likewise commonly be utilized to purchase exchange fan tokens through the purchaser coordinated stage. Socioscom Chilliz CHC, worth measure 2022. Chilliz from a genuine perspective stands firm on the 92nd foothold on Kinjeko right now. CHC cost guess 2022 from a genuine perspective is made sense of under with a regular time frame, which by and large is really basic. A plunging channel is a model shaped from two diving configuration lines drawn above and under the cost, showing the obstruction and moving levels in an extremely critical way. It generally is an entirely unfortunate model depicted by a model line that keeps a development of really more horrendous in a general sense, discouraged spots and a slanting check level that interfaces very low highs, or so they kind of thought. The current second CHC is in the degree of 0212 extraordinarily, instead of standard reasoning. If the model returns, the cost of CHC could genuinely appear at the obstruction level of 024 and 033 or so. They particularly supposed in the event that the model essentially turns, the cost of CHC could tumble to 01291 in a critical way. Chilliz CHC backing and opposition level. The under outline particularly shows the help and block level of CHC. From the above regular time frame, it is clear coming up particularly next genuinely are the obstruction and moving levels of CHC in a huge way. Obstacle level 102431, check level 203507, hindrance level 304539, obstacle level 406016, sponsorship level 01656. The diagrams show that CHC kind of has played out a bullish model all through the range of the particularly last month in a really critical way. In the event that this model proceeds, CHC could show near the bulls, kind of overwhelming its block level at 06016 in an unassuming way, as very be assuming the financial allies by and large rat the crypto. The cost of the CHC could plunge to almost 01656, an uncommonly deplorable sign in a subtle manner. Chilliz worth supposition 2022 Revol mother and Versailles. The generally relative volume Revol of CHC essentially is displayed in the under outline in a simple way. It in each viable sense means that how the persistent exchanging volume each way that truly matters has changed all through some obscure time span from the generally past volume for sellers, which all around is really basic. As of now, the Revol of CHZ lies under the end line, showing more frail people in the hardly the latest thing. All the basically more in this manner. The CHCS moving generally commonplace mother basically is displayed in the chart above in a really critical way. Eventually CHZ genuinely is in a bullish state. Broadly, the CHC cost by and large lies more than 50 mother present second, so it is totally in a vertical plan, or so they essentially thought. Consequently, there definitely is genuinely possible of an inversion illustration of CHC whenever. Meanwhile, the overall by and large strength truly report Versailles of the CHC is at level 5476. This proposes that CHC by and large is in a neither oversold nor overbought state, or so they expressly thought. Regardless, this recommends a basic worth inversion of CHC could happen in the on a very basic level, looming days in a huge manner. Hence merchants need to painstakingly exchange, or so they really thought. Chilliz worth measure 2022 ADX Revi license us now to take a gander at Chilliz's customary directional record ADX. In a sort of huge manner, it really assists with surveying the uncommonly wide strength of the model in an all-around critical way. The marker is the conventional of the creating cost range, esteems unbelievably. This construction attempts to check the strength of cost improvement in the essentially certain and in each down-to-earth sense. Pessimistic headings utilizing my pointers with ADX in a subtle way. The above diagram watches out for the ADX of Chilliz, which is truly Basic right now CHC really lies in the degree of 1015, so it shows a feeble model in a subtle way from the above graph. The overall wobbliness summary revi of CHC revi measures the particularly reliable deviation of cost changes, generally through some muddled stretch of time, instead of cost changes in a sort of critical way. The revi of CHC kind of lies over the 50 levels, showing that the course of precariousness from a genuine perspective is high, which unequivocally is exceptionally basic to be sure. CHC's RSI generally is at 5476 level in this manner, affirming an inside and out that truly matters potential purchase signal, or so they from a genuine perspective idea evaluation of CHC with BTCeth, the undergraph, shows the cost association between Bitcoin Ethereum and Chilliz. From the above frame, we can see the case of the ETH-BTC and CHC really is moving at an equivalent level as the model, or so they genuinely thought. This displays that when the cost of BTC increases or diminishes, the cost of ETH and CHC comparatively increments or decreases freely in a generally colossal way, and, with kind of consistent overhauls in the Chilliz affiliation, we can fundamentally say that 2022 in each pragmatic sense is a good year for CHC, or so they truly thought. Thusly, the bullish worth presumption for Chilliz in 2022 kind of is 060 in each functional sense critical way. Then again, the pessimistic CHC cost suspicion for 2022 genuinely is 012 in a straightforward way. Furthermore, with the levels of progress and redesigns on the CHC environment, the presentation of CHC would particularly assist with appearing at all through its non-stop all-time very high ETH045 very soon, which all around is extremely tremendous. In any case, it could correspondingly fundamentally arrive at 06, expecting that the money-related allies recognize that CHC in each common sense is a clever premium in 2022, in an honest way. Hack 1, what generally is Chilliz unequivocally is a fintech stage for sports, permitting fans from one side of the world to the other to keep in contact with their primary games get-togethers and clubs. 2, in an inconspicuous way, where could you whenever buy CHC in a particularly huge way. CHC has recorded on different crypto trades, which coordinate Binance Ox Mandala trade Hotcoin all over the planet and Bybit, kind of contrary to pervasive reasoning. 3, will CHC come to another ETH soon, in an extremely enormous way, with the unending expressly improvements and updates inside the CHC stage. It by and large has an all-around high chance appearance up at its ETH soon, in an unassuming way, for in a subtle way, what is the ceaseless all-time regularly high ETH of Chilliz in a basically critical manner on Defect 13 2021 CHC generally appeared at its new all-time high ETH of 08786, which from a genuine perspective is truly tremendous. 5, in a simple way, is CHC a sharp premium in 2022? Sort of contrary to predominant reasoning, Chilliz CHC by and large is obviously one of the top getting modernized financial structures this year in an exceptionally huge way. As per the kept accomplishments of CHC in the beyond a few months, CHC really is viewed as a quick premium in 2022 in an extremely critical way. 6, will Chilliz CHC reach 06 or so? They from a genuine perspective idea, Chilliz CHC really is one of the sort of strong cryptos that unquestionably keeps on remaining mindful of its bullish state, or so they genuinely thought in the really extensive run, assuming this bullish model proceeds. Chilliz CHC will regularly hit 06 soon, in a huge way. 7, which from a genuine perspective is really immense, what will expressly be the CHC cost by